Let's read the answer.
The answer is C.
And letter C, I don't think so. Remember, he tested for underlined only. Or letter B, verified the underline. Verified information that help support a claim about the discovery importance. Where is it? Here. He said coordinated the fish transport from Chinese operated fisheries into. يبقى that means coordinated help support. Do you imagine?
Yes.
That means it's evidence. And something else can help you using the calling. After calling, we have explanation to prove something before. As he mentioned here, provided the first evidence. If you look at letter C, it traces the steps that were taken to locate and recover. Where is the steps in the underline? He didn't mention steps A or first, second, third. It does not talk about steps. And of course, it does not summarize or outline the hypothesis. So here, letter B is the best answer. Come on.
The answer is D. D is the right answer.
Letter D.
Yes.
But why not A?
A.
Or why not B? طب let's prove together why B.
What is wrong?
ما he said the structure. So talk about the order of information. It starts with description how research is made a scientific. Yes, here using NASA powerful James Webb Space. So they used the NASA telescope. By using these scientists measured the wavelengths. So it tells you how made discovery. Then explain the importance of the discovery. So look for the beginning. Here, this finding not only offers look help, but also straight the potential. يبقى at the beginning describe how they made discovery and then the importance. That's called order of information. For letter C, it's wrong. Why? The second part, the first part correct. Steps taken in scientific study, correct. But the second one, it's not presenting hypothesis. Second one about the importance of the finding. That means the half of the answer is correct, but it's half only. So letter B correct for the order of information. That's fine. One try again. Remember, we
The answer is B.
practice everything.
The answer is B or A.
No, the
B,
answer
right?
is letter B. Come on, let's try.
The answer is A. A is the right answer.
So eight's correct. Number one, phenomena. What means when phenomena, it's something strange happened. And then they try to prove it. Catch it? And that is discussed
Yes.
in the text. Correct. Perfect.
C. C is the right answer. Is it right?
So you think it's a letter C? I don't
Yeah.
think so.
Why?
Why check letter A?
I have
It
read A before C, but I think C
yeah, let's see.
right
It
better answer.
qualifies. What means it qualifies? It describes. So qualifies means it adds limits or conditions to. Qualifies means adds to add limits or condition. He said, and Mr. Verloc stayed like a rock. You see, like a rock. Rock must be strong, hard. How he says soft kind of rock? This is limitations. You see, something opposite. That's why. Internal struggle, it means he has a problem between himself and his self. Has a problem between inside him. Contrast, we don't have a comparison. Contrast, private opinion. No, it's not a private opinion because the narrator is talking. Mr. Verloc, not private opinion. Feel it? The description about
Yes.
him. And in between two dashes, we have additional information to describe something before. So it's information about Mr. Brown. Very good try. And always memorize and practice all the vocabulary you did. Let's try. Up.
The answer should be D.
So letter D is the best answer. Founding, as you know, establishing, and the mission behind that is correct. As he said here, it continues to foster the mission and it gives you information how or from how she started. That's perfect. Help.
Yes, I'm with you.
Let's prove together why A correct. The uniformity of both and the people. And what means uniformity? They are similar. Uni means one. They are one. As he said here, in many phrases, like one another, like one another, with the same sound upon the movement. See? So this means they are similar. That's why. Well, I'm not talking about limited work opportunities. Definite or simplest of life. So letter A correct. Let's try again. Algo, my dear.
The answer is B.
Letter B, I don't think so.
Why?
Is all the text about why travel?
No.
Oh, that is the main purpose. It means a lot of information about what? Here illustrates. Illustrates means explaining by evidence. A character's reaction. Reaction means his opinions, his behavior. How does he do? You found it?
Yes.
Look, he wondered. And back home, there had been no place with much worse going to except the church and how does he reflect to the new environment? How he wandered to the salt valley. So letter A is evident. Try again. Let me help.
Yes, please.
Always focus on the answer and underline. Look for C. He said it offers the underlined only. Examples. Do you have examples? Yes. Look alternative R and musician and among other contemporary recording artists. All of these cite the album as an influence. So examples of younger musicians, yes, whose work has been impacted. Yes, cite the album as an influence. They take quote the album as an influence. This means they were impacted by this album. So it has or it gives evidence. That's why. So it's literary. It contrasts, we don't have contrast something with something. There is no comparison. The underline does not have any information about it motivates contemporary musician to adopt. No. So here we have example by using and comma among other. Correct. Let's try
So
the
the
next.
answer is A, right?
No. We prove why A is wrong. There is no any information about motivates the musician to adopt. But we have examples here. Always find evidence why correct, why wrong. Come on. Here, column.
B is the right answer.
B, no, my friend. It's letter D. It's C describes attempts to control nature. And then that not all nature is controllable. Let's find the evidence. Let's find. He mentioned here, no matter how we cultivate the land, taming the forest, no matter how we irrigate, look, attempts to control nature, making the desert blossom, nature. We must always leave the borders of the sea and look at the end, the immeasurable reaches offers the reminder that not all nature is controllable, immeasurable, of the windy wave wet beaches. You cannot control this part. Found it.
Yes.
And wait, we cannot tame the sea or the beaches or the wind or waves. So that means here letter D is correct. That's fine. Okay, Captain John. Let's do a game. We can keep the rest for your homework.
Okay.
Right. And now I'm going to send you the rest of the homework, just like some questions.
Yeah, for this file.
Yeah, the homework, it's a new file. But where is our group?
I will do this, the rest of this one, and another one.
Yes. Any file I send you with the questions, answer it. Yeah, I send it here. Now let's practice some official questions. We'll answer only one question and then we'll finish. Don't worry.
From then another file.
This is the new file I send you. And let me answer number one and then finish. Let me read the question carefully. The student wants to explain advantage. So we need from the notes the advantage only. And advantage means benefits. So when I read like that. The first point, it does not mention advantage. Delete it. So can't be divided. Calendar dates fall on a different day. So that is done, not mention it. So that is means no. Henry developed as an alternative, yes, as a different choice option. The character advantage. Here, no advantage. That means your answer at this point. Now find the similar idea in the answers. That mentioned the letter C. Designed so calendar dates would occur on the same day. Henry calendar supports more predictable scheduling. As I said here, an option. And look, permanent calendar. That means C is correct. In the note, he didn't mention that is the advantage. Catch it? That's why, my dear. And he said here, Gregorian calendar, 35 days, which is one longer days. No, he said it developed as an alternative. So that means the letter C is correct. Feel it, my dear?
Yes.
And we can found here again because, and look, advantage, which supports more predictable scheduling. And that he's mentioned here supports again. Advantage. That's why. You got that?
Yes.
So that just means you, when you answer at home, practice vocab, practice language, grammar, everything, and focus on what does the question need exactly like that. Emphasize the achievement only. We need the achievement only, and then find the answer. So as we agreed, we keep the rest for you as homework.